all, welcome to Varna, the magic of colorful threads. We bring you sarees and dress materials directly from weavers at an affordable cost. Varna is dream of Divya, ex-software engineer CTS. Vidya, ex-nutritionist, Global Hospitals. We took a bold decision of quitting our corporate jobs to become the first generation entrepreneurs chasing our passion. Our contact details are shown in the screen now. You can follow us at various social medias like Facebook and Instagram. Our website is www.varnaarray.com. Please watch the video till the end. In today's video, we will see about the making of Kalamkari sarees. Kalamkari materials are globally renowned for their elegance and rich heritage that dates back to the medieval times. Kalamkari is a Persian word that is a combination of two words. Kalam means pen and kari means artwork or craftsmanship. This literally translates to mean drawing with pen. So Kalamkari is hand printed or block printed work on cotton textile done in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, but originally from Mughal period. Now let's see a little of historical background. In ancient times, magicians, painters and folk singers narrated Hindu mythology tales by painting on a large canvas using organic colors from plants. During the Mughal Empire, skilled artisans known as Kalamkars in Golconda and Coromandel practiced this beautiful art. This is where the name Kalamkari evolved from. Kalamkari art started to decline but was revived in 18th century by the British who admired and loved the traditional art form. Colors and dyes used in the sarees. Natural colors are used in the art of Kalamkari. The dyes are got from vegetables, plants, roots, crushed fruits and flowers. Most of the Kalamkari fabric colors are green, maroon, rust, black, mustard and indigo. There are different themes that are dissipated in Kalamkari sarees. The Gujarat Kalamkari have popular motifs of Hindu epics like Ramayana and recently Buddhist art forms. The Kharagpur Kalamkar sarees are styled sarees worn by the royal families during the Raja Shivaji period. The Srikalahati sarees have been drawn religious stories and temple motifs, while the Machilipatnam sarees have inspired Persian, Dutch and Persian motifs during the British rule. Sri Kalahasti style is wholly hand-woven. The intricate monochrome drawings drawn using a pen or a sharpened bamboo are very common on these sarees. Machilipatnam style were made using natural dyes from vegetables, plants and flowers. Wooden blocks are used to apply the colors. The technique used to make Kalamkari fabric. Making this beautiful fabric is a long, tedious and time-consuming process that takes 23 steps. It requires precision and a keen eye to details. The fabric is soaked for an hour in resin and cow milk to give that glossy look on a saree. Then cotton material is bleached for several hours to attain the off-white color. The fabric is sun-dried and soaked again in buffalo milk and myrobalan fruit dust for a few minutes to prevent smudging of colors when dyeing using organic dyes. The fabric is sun-dried, then washed with running water to remove buffalo milk odor. Washing is done 20 times and sun-dried to get desired results. The brown, black, violet and red portion of the design are outlined using a mordant and the fabric soaked in alizarin solution. The fabric is then covered with wax except for the parts to be dyed blue. Then it is dipped in the indigo blue dye. Later, the wax is removed and the remaining parts are hand painted just like Indonesian batik. To paint different designs on the fabric, craftsmen use a date palm stick or a sharp pointed bamboo pen. Vegetable dye is then applied to fill the colors in the drawings. The elegance and style of the traditional Kalamkari sarees combined with the rich craftsmanship woven on these saris have earned them global recognition and admiration. With the changing times, the Kalamkari saris are now available in crepe, chiffon, georgette, brocade, cotton, silk, chanderi and even chungudi. Kalamkari saris now come in many unique colors and prints that are both traditional and contemporary to accommodate all styles and taste. Another very unique feature of the Kalamkari sari is that the color don't fade away with many washes because natural dyes are used. These saris have a beautiful blend of heritage and elegance that is easily incorporated in its latest trending designs. The rich look of the Kalamkari sari fabric sets it apart from the other saris. Even though it is traditional sari, it has been embraced by the modern fashion industry. Thus, we come to know the hard work and the efforts behind the sari we drape. Varna has a wide range of Kalamkari saris in cotton, silk and also bedspreads. Please WhatsApp the numbers on the screen to get the collections. Thank you for watching our video. If you like, please subscribe and share. Please click on the bell button to get new